Imagine stepping into a home that effortlessly balances beauty and practicality. The L-shaped house is more than just a design, it's a lifestyle. With its open concept spaces, abundant natural light, and seamless indoor-outdoor integration, this architectural marvel offers an unparalleled living experience. Every detail, from the warm wooden accents to the elegant lighting, is meticulously curated to exude both comfort and luxury. In this video, we unveil the secrets behind these modern masterpieces, guiding you through stylish interiors and creative home solutions that elevate everyday living. Hi, I'm Tom, the creator of Tom Design. Join me to explore stunning home designs and creative ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration. Imagine stepping into a home that effortlessly balances beauty and practicality. The L-shaped house is more than just a design, it's a lifestyle. With its open concept spaces, abundant natural light, and seamless indoor-outdoor integration, this architectural marvel offers an unparalleled living experience. Every detail, from the warm wooden accents to the elegant lighting, is meticulously curated to exude both comfort and luxury. In this video, we unveil the secrets behind these modern masterpieces, guiding you through stylish interiors and creative home solutions that elevate everyday living. L-shaped homes are a true embodiment of smart space utilization. Their unique layout maximizes land use while providing privacy and openness where needed. The architectural flow creates a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, offering scenic views from every angle. These homes embrace contemporary aesthetics with clean lines, natural textures, and eco-friendly elements, ensuring both style and sustainability. Discover how designers masterfully integrate form and function to craft homes that are not only visually stunning but also incredibly practical. The essence of an L-shaped home lies in its intelligent design. By optimizing every square foot, these homes feel expansive yet intimate. Imagine waking up to panoramic garden views through floor-to-ceiling windows or enjoying a private courtyard that seamlessly extends from your living area. With an emphasis on efficiency and elegance, these residences incorporate sustainable materials, smart home features, and multifunctional layouts to create a refined living experience. Step inside and witness the magic of space transformed into a masterpiece of modern architecture. Step into a living room where modern sophistication meets ultimate comfort. The open concept layout enhances spaciousness, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. Plush L-shaped sofas, elegant marble coffee tables, and curated decor elements add an air of refined luxury. This space is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, seamlessly connecting to the dining and outdoor areas. Whether it's a cozy evening with family or a stylish gathering with friends, this living room sets the perfect stage for every occasion. A luxurious living room isn't just about furniture, it's about ambience, harmony, and design flow. Here, neutral palettes meet warm wooden textures, while statement lighting creates an inviting atmosphere. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors dissolve the barriers between indoors and outdoors, offering a refreshing openness to the space. Every detail, from the soft textures to the sleek media wall, contributes to a sense of effortless elegance. Let's explore how to transform your living area into a haven of style and serenity. The heart of every home, the kitchen, is a masterpiece of both functionality and style. Imagine a space where sleek marble countertops meet warm wooden cabinetry, where golden pendant lights illuminate a modern yet inviting ambience. Every element, from high-tech appliances to soft closing drawers, is designed for effortless convenience. Whether you love hosting dinner parties or preparing intimate family meals, this elegant kitchen is crafted to make every cooking experience delightful. A kitchen should be more than just a workspace, it should be a place of inspiration. This modern culinary haven seamlessly blends aesthetics with efficiency. The sophisticated combination of monochrome tones, brass accents, and integrated storage solutions creates a clean and polished look. A large island serves as the perfect gathering spot, offering both practicality and charm. Step inside and discover how a well-designed kitchen can elevate your home's luxury appeal. A master bedroom should be a retreat, an oasis of calm and relaxation. Here, soft neutral tones and elegant textures create a tranquil environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. The carefully curated furniture, plush bedding, and ambient lighting enhance the cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. With large windows framing stunning outdoor views, this bedroom is designed to be both peaceful and inspiring. Step into a bedroom where comfort meets luxury. An upholstered king-sized bed, delicate sheer curtains, and warm wooden flooring set the tone for a restful escape. Thoughtful details like recessed lighting, floating nightstands, and a private balcony add to the refined elegance of the space. Experience how the perfect blend of softness and structure can turn a bedroom into a dream sanctuary.